grab your tongs and get ready for the countdown, because today we're diving into a sizzling list of the best grill tools that will upgrade every cookout. From precision spatulas to heat-resistant gloves, these picks are built to last and make flipping, searing, and basting a breeze. Today, I'm going to be going over the best grill tools that you can get right now. All of the products mentioned are linked in the description, so check them out if you're interested in any of them. With that, let's begin. At number 5, we have the Grilliance Griddle Accessories Kit. This kit is built for flat-top cooking and is designed to ride alongside your griddle rather than replacing it. The pieces are crafted with a stainless steel core and heat-resistant handles, giving you confidence when you reach across a blazing surface. The spatula presents a broad, sturdy blade with a beveled edge that lets you slide under breakfast hash browns and eggs without marring the surface. The scraper is rigid enough to handle burnt-on residue and can be used on seasoned coatings without dulling edges. The tongs feature a locking mechanism for easy storage and a spring action that keeps them ready for quick transfers. A cleaning brush with stiff bristles helps break up stuck-on grease, while a small bottle or all-dispensing mechanism keeps your griddle seasoned for even heat. Kit emphasizes rust resistance and durability, using corrosion-resistant alloys and reinforced joints that do not bend under heavy loads. The ergonomic handles are covered in heat-proof material that stays cool in the heat of long sessions, and the balance of each tool is tuned so your wrist stays in a natural position while you flip, lift, or turn. Design also includes practical touches like non-slip grips and hanging loops to keep your tools organized within arm's reach. For weekend cooks who want flexibility, the Grilliance Kit offers a broad selection that covers flipping, serving, oiling, and scrubbing in one compact package. It is a solid solution for those who run back-to-back griddle breakfasts and weekend cookouts, letting you focus on timing rather than tool management. Compared to the OXO Grilling Tools Set, which I have included as number 4 on this list, the Grilliance Kit leans more toward griddle-centric functionality and a broader suite of griddle-ready accessories rather than a general-purpose grill tool ensemble. At number 4, we have the OXO Grilling Tools Set. Selection is recognized for its thoughtful ergonomics and durable materials that stand up to heavy grilling sessions. The tools feature soft, non-slip grips that remain comfortable even after long flips, and the handles are designed to stay cool in the heat of the grill, reducing the risk of burns. Stainless steel shafts are sturdy and balanced, providing a collecting feel when you lift a thick steak or pull a rack of ribs. The spatula includes a beveled edge and a perforated section to drain fat as you lift, while the tongs lock closed for compact storage. The set typically includes a slotted turner, tongs, and a pastry brush or basting brush option, forming a 4-piece to 5-piece lineup that covers basic grilling needs. The heads are heat-resistant up to several hundred degrees, and the edges are beveled so you can slide under burgers without tearing. The design uses a combination of stainless steel and BPA-free silicone components in areas near heat, which helps protect surfaces and improve hygiene. The OXO line also emphasizes easy cleaning. The parts disconnect for quick washing, and the polished finish resists staining. The set is suitable for a wide range of grill styles, from gas grills to charcoal setups, and the handle shapes promote a comfortable grip for both right-handed and left-handed cooks. If you are upgrading from a low-end kit, you will notice how much more control and precision the OXO set offers. Compared to the Grilliance Griddle Accessories Kit, which I have included as number 5 on this list, the OXO set delivers a broader variety of standard grilling utensils with a focus on everyday versatility rather than specialized griddle tooling. At number 3, we have the Cuisinart Grill Tool Set. Cuisinart version offers a robust stainless steel build with a mid-range price and a reputation for reliable performance. The set typically includes a spatula, a set of tongs, a carving fork, a basting brush, and a multifunction spatula, forming a cohesive kit that covers the fundamental tasks of most backyard cooks. The blades are generously sized, with strong springs and a balanced feel that reduces fatigue during long sessions. The spatula head is broad, providing full contact with the grill to flip burgers or fish fillets without sticking, while the fork is designed with a secure grip to avoid twisting. The basting brush features heat-resistant bristles, enabling you to glaze meats while maintaining good control. The Cuisinart kit tends to be dishwasher safe, which makes cleanup easier after a late-night barbecue, and the components are designed to resist rust or pitting in humid environments. Ergonomics focus on comfortable grip shapes and rounded edges to reduce risk of accidental scrapes along the knuckles. The kit includes a tool organizer or hook system that helps you keep your grilling area tidy and accessible, a small but practical feature that many cooks appreciate. For cooks who need a dependable, mid-priced option that still performs well, the Cuisinart set offers balanced performance across searing, flipping, and saucing tasks. Compared to the Alpha Griller's Grill Tool Set, which I have included as number 2 on this list, the Cuisinart set emphasizes a sturdy, conventional design with a slight tilt toward kitchen familiarity rather than specialized features. At number 2, we have the OXO Grill Tool Set. This collection is widely loved for its durable stainless steel construction, generous tool lengths, and comfortable weighted balance that feels secure in the hand. The spatula features a broad head with a beveled edge and a perforated area to drain excess fat, enabling precise lifting of grilled proteins while keeping their moisture intact. The tongs are spring-loaded and provide a confident, crisp action. They lock for tidy storage and open with a satisfying snap when you need to flip a delicate piece. Fork and ladle or spoon options round out the set, giving you a versatile lineup to handle vegetables, sauces, and meat with equal ease. The handles are coated with a non-slip, heat-resistant grip to prevent slips when your hands are damp from sweat or sauce. Stainless steel finish resists staining and holds its shine after multiple uses, while the whole set is designed to withstand high heat without bending or warping. OXO Grillers is known for including a generous set of utensils and a simple care routine that keeps things straightforward for busy cooks. The set also includes a practical ring or hole pattern to allow you to hang the tools close to the grill, so everything is within arm's reach during a busy cookout. If you need a reliable multi-tool kit that covers most cooking scenarios with a balanced, premium feel, this is a good choice. Compared to the Grilling Tools Spatula Set, which I have included as number 1 on this list, the OXO Grillers Kit offers more utensils and a heftier grip, translating into greater perceived durability and control for larger meals. At number 1, we have the Grilling Tools Spatula Set. Its top pick centers on versatility, providing a pair or trio of spatulas designed to handle everything from delicate eggs to thick burgers with ease. The primary spatula features a wide, sturdy blade and a clean, slightly curved edge that increases contact with the grill while reducing food sticking. Secondary slotted spatula allows you to lift items while letting fat drain away, preserving the texture and juiciness of your proteins. The handles are shaped to reduce wrist strain and are equipped with heat-resistant covers to protect hands when the grill is roaring at high temperature. The set is typically built from robust stainless steel with reinforced necks and a mirror finish that resists staining after heavy use. The spatula heads are thick enough to withstand prying without bending or twisting. In addition to spatula-focused tasks, some versions include a perforated turner and a broad grill spatula for flipping large cuts of meat, as well as a serrated edge for light cutting tasks. The ergonomic design reduces fatigue during long cooking sessions, and the equipment is designed to be dishwasher safe for easy cleanup, a practical feature for frequent grillers. Tool selection can handle delicate seafood, vegetables, and grilled fruit, broadening your repertoire beyond burgers and hot dogs. For home chefs seeking a flexible, all-around spatula set that remains comfortable after hours of use, this package is a standout. Compared to the OXO Grillers Grill Tools Set, which I have included as number 2 on this list, the Grilling Tools Spatula Set focuses more on spatula-centric versatility rather than the broader utensil assortment featured